The loom of us. We are a biological miracle. Each of us a woven tapestry of intricate and entwined thoughts, actions, and feelings emanating from a heart and mind unlike anything else in the universe. We begin weaving our nature not as a cycle we are stuck in, but as a foundation we have the power to build upon. We are born from a desire, a hunger for connection. Before we had words, we had a pulse, a shared rhythm that whispered, "I am not alone." It's easy to look at our biology and see a machine, a 9-month sentence of genes and chemistry knitting a new life in warm darkness. But look closer. Look at the effort we spend to be beautiful for one another to achieve this outcome. The ultimate biological and emotional desire to share intimacy and create new life. This is our human nature. When we self-decorate, when we hang gold from our ears or scent our skin, we aren't just biological units looking to replicate. We are artisans creating an ever-increasing complexity of intertwined threads that form our nature, creating who we are and what we might become. We are saying, "I am here, and I want to be seen." Yes, our human nature is ancient. It is pure machismo and machination. It is the drive to persist. But humanity is what we choose to do with that drive. It's the child held not just with instinct, but with a promise. It's the way we facilitate comfort and dedicate lives. Our human nature is the inherited framework of being, strong, stubborn, and raw. But it's our humanity that is the weaver. It provides us with a wealth of possibilities. We can weave a cage of aggression, or we can weave a cathedral of cooperation. We aren't just propagating the species, we are passing on a spark. Even when the cycles repeat, they don't have to be a closed circle. They can be a spiral, climbing a little higher with every generation that chooses kindness over power. So pucker up, consummate the joy, celebrate the ease with which we propagate. But remember, the biological urge is just the beginning. What we build with the light that shines through the woven mesh, that is where our true story begins. We are the present, and the architects of the next breath. Let's make it a compassionate one, please. Our children are the future. We are the past. Thanks for watching.